Assalamu alaikum. I am Zishan. Today I will discuss about how to make money online. There are basically two main possible categories in earning money online. First one is sales and the second one is service. Sometime you can sell your service. So let's discuss possible best and popular earning method online. Selling web hosting service, computational hosting, database hosting, domain names, and website development related service is a very popular way of earning money online. You can sell VPS, virtual private server, online. Or a host to compile code or host a website. Amazon AWS, Google Cloud, and Alibaba are big giants in this businesses. Needs a lot of investment to run a business like this. Giving SPB security like Sucuri Host or Anonymous Tor hosting is also popular services to sell. Also management softwares and services to people or companies is another method of online earning. You could work as a freelancer or a full-time work from home coder or developers for companies. Freelancing platforms like Freelancer.com, Fiverr or Upwork is very famous platforms for these jobs. Many young people earning a lot from these jobs. E-commerce business is also a good business. Dropshipping, retail, wholesale, import-export are many kind of selling and buying is possible online. You can sell as a manufacturer, retailer or middleman. You can sell using your own website or e-commerce sites. Building own website with own code or using Shopify or WordPress WooCommerce are great options. Also Amazon, Alibaba and many more third-party sites are available for you. Becoming a social media influencer and earning money with your social media accounts is also a great idea. Content creation using YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook is also a great idea. You can be a gamer on various gaming platforms. Earning as a partner advertiser or advertising a product can be a good income source. Blogging can be a good source of income. You can earn with affiliate marketing. Lot of people earning a lot with affiliate marketing. You can create your own advertising platform to earn money or partnership with Google AdSense and other programs are also good. Creating desktop apps, softwares, Android apps or iOS apps can be a great method of earning. Selling apps and softwares online or in-app purchases for features and premium services is good. Freelancing developer, graphic designers, logo designers are also earning a lot from Upworks, Freelancer and other websites. Giving software as a service, SaaS, like Gym Chart Generator web app or softwares are also a big opportunity. Referral advertising, survey, ethical hacking and many popular or unpopular methods online to earn money. Basically you need willpower, hard work, focus and consistency on any job to earn a satisfying amount of money. So be smart and wise, be cool by subscribing my channel and liking my contents. Thanks for watching this video. Ma salama.